Hi guys, welcome to It's All About the Taste. Today I'm gonna be preparing a romantic dinner since Valentine's it's around the corner, and sometimes you just don't wanna make reservations for those expensive restaurants or whatever, your works or you're tired and you just want to make something simple for your other half or your boyfriend or spouse, whatever. So today I'm gonna be preparing some Chipotle shrimp. I'm gonna be making a spicy mayo from scratch, which I love. I make it as a dip for this kind of shrimp. I promise it takes less than 10 minutes to prepare this dish. And ahead, I'm gonna be listing the ingredients. But before I do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like or make any comments down below. So ahead, I'm gonna be listing the ingredients. First of all, we're gonna be needing 2 pounds of shrimp. They're already clean and deveined. A bit of salt, some pepper, half a tablespoon of paprika, 4 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 stems of fresh rosemary, 2 cups of olive oil, 2 eggs, and 2 to 3 Chipotle chilies. Okay, so let's get to cook. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our shrimp with a bit of salt and some pepper. So you can use your hands, just make sure your hands are clean and just mix it very well. I already have the pan heated with some oil, and we're gonna basically like stir fry them in very high heat. Okay, so that's it. Okay, in very high heat oil, we're gonna add the shrimp, and we're just gonna let it sit there for a few minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare the spicy mayo. Okay guys, so the spicy mayo is very simple to make. You just need the garlic clove in there, like you can see it. And we're gonna start blending. We add the 2 eggs, and you mix at a very low speed in your blender. I start at 1, and then once it's mixing, we're gonna be adding the oil little by little. We don't wanna pour everything at once, because that might not work for the mayo. It's not gonna make it thick. So the way we do it is you pour a bit, like maybe every 10 to 15 seconds, you start adding oil, and then like that, you pour a bit more until you're done with the 2 cups of the oil. Once everything's mixed, you add the Chipotle chili that I'll be showing at the end, along with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit of salt and a bit of pepper, and we're gonna keep adding the oil. Once our shrimp is half cooked, we're gonna add the garlic in the middle, so it starts grilling a little bit. Okay guys, so I have added the last few drops of oil to my mayo. Then it's time to add the Chipotle sauce, the Chipotle chili, sorry. The Chipotles, you can add as many as you like. The first time I made this recipe, I added a couple, but for me, I like more spicy shrimp, so I added a couple more, an additional 2 more chilies. So this time it's a total of 4 Chipotles. And you can increase the speed for the Chipotles. So our romantic dinner is ready. The shrimp are here with fresh rosemary and our spicy mayo made from scratch. If you have any of the spicy mayo leftovers, you can keep them in the fridge for maybe sandwiches or any other dish that you may you would want to spread some mayo on. You may try the shrimp with steamed asparagus or any other type of side dish that you wish. I also want to share one of my favorite wines. I bought it at San Antonio Winery. This wine, it's very yummy. It's like a dessert wine. It's chocolate. It's called Chocolate Bar. If you guys wish to get it for your loved ones. And the candles and the red roses, obviously, you guys can miss that. So I just want to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys have the best night. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And so thanks for watching.